Good morning, candidates. Karnataka Bank Agriculture Schemes, Kisan Credit Card Scheme, KBL Instant Agri Credit Scheme, KBL Agri Gold Scheme, KBL Agro Processing Scheme, Krishik Godam, that is Godown, then Krishik Saradi Scheme, that is for vehicle, Krishik Pushpankura Scheme, Krishik Sinchana must be that irrigation. Let us see what is Krishak Krishik Pushpankura scheme. Krishik Pushpankura scheme. Krishik Pushpankura scheme. It is an horticulture. Acha, acha, acha. Good, good. It's an horticulture loan in Karnataka, and eligibility is individual or firm or company or HUF or small self-help group. Then purpose is establishment, maintenance of horticulture, floriculture units, nurseries, tissue and culture units. Yeah. And here they are giving you details regarding period, the security and the repayment, the limit and the rate of interest. The rate of interest, everything would have been given in this brochure. I request candidates to download the brochure, go through the details also. Other things with which you must be thorough is that Kisan credit card scheme, Kisan credit card scheme, credit card. Yeah, this one. Kishan credit card scheme. What you should know, what is the eligibility, what is the interest charged, what is the say interest subvention given. All these details you must know. Please go through this. If you download this, you will be knowing. Then I think they are also giving KCC OD scheme. Kisan credit card as overdraft also. Then KCCTL Kisan credit card as term loan also. The limit will be assessed based on the scale of finance, anticipated average farm income, and repaying capacity. So I request the agriculture candidates to go through this thoroughly. Not only this Kisan credit card, but also Agri credit scheme, Agri gold scheme, agro processing scheme, then Krishi Godam. Godam means that go down, that is for storage. Then Saradi scheme is for tractor. Then Pushpankura we have seen. Sinchana is for irrigation. Please go through the brochures after downloading them. Thank you so much. Best wishes. This is for agriculture candidates. And others, you must know broad ideas about.